Welcome back. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change username of account in Windows 10. Here you can see the old username. Now go to the control panel from the desktop or search control panel in the search bar. Click on Under User Account, change account type. Now select that account you want to change the name. Enter the name and click on the Change Name. As you can see, name is not appear in Start menu. Now you need to restart. After restart the PC, the name appears on desktop and Start menu icon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.